start here. What is Airwindows Consolidated? And why do so many users swear by it? Grok AI. You can pause the screen and read it in 3 installments. Pause. Pause. And pause. Moving along. How to download and install it. Well, as you can see in my Brave browser freshly generated tab, I have an Airwindows button because I go there at least once a week to download the new release. This week it's called Wooden Box. It's apparently a householder matrix reverb that's about the size of a shoebox. And it's supposed to work as an acoustic guitar simulator. Although I have other ideas for how I might use it in ways that do not necessarily align with that stated purpose. Anyway, airwindows.com. And Wooden Box. That's the new release. Now, where do you get Consolidated? You can get it. This link right here. Wooden Box in Airwindows Consolidated. Or you can find that link right here on the left. Consolidated plugin is here for users of CLAP VST3 AULV2. This is where you should start for downloading Consolidated. I usually just click on this one right here. And that takes us to good old GitHub, where you choose your platform. In my case, I'm still in Microslop Windblows world. And so that's it for me right there. Click. And let's see. Save it to downloads. And that's it. It's already downloaded. Download complete. So all I got to do is click on that. It's going to, if you're in Windows, it's going to ask you if you want to proceed. Windows Defender Smart Screen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Running this app might put your PC at risk. No. You click more info and run anyway. And yes. And I accept the agreement. Next. Install. Now, I have my installation paths set. If it's your first time, you might want to make sure it's installing to the correct folders. But that's it. That's it. Whether it's your first time or your 117th time, that's it. And now it's time for me to get back to work here, working on this song 600. And I already have a new audio track loaded up for Wooden Box. scanning my plugins, so it's scanning the fresh install of Consolidated, presumably. And there we go. There's Wooden Box. And I'm just going to go ahead and insert an instance of Consolidated. For me, it defaults to the Galactic Reverb, but I think you can even set that according to your will. Filter by collection. I filter by all plugins. I believe the first time you download and install it, it defaults to recommended. If you want, here is the menu tab. Is it the menu tab? Anyway, the tab that gives you access to all the different categories and all the different plugins therein. They say there are upwards of 400 of them. I've never counted personally, but anyway, let me see. Wooden Box, that'll probably be under reverbs. Okay, wood room, blah, 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 blah. Where is it? Well, maybe you didn't classify it under reverbs. Hang on. So I go here and search Wooden Box. There we go. It's under tone color. Interesting. Technically, it's a householder matrix reverb. But Chris put it in the tone color category. Right? It says right there, tone color. So I could find it by searching and clicking, or I can go under tone color, and there it is right there. Tone colors are very, very nice finishers. I'm very partial to Precious, and I'm very partial to Crystal, and I'm very partial to Luxor. Anyway, very nice. A new addition to the tone color category. Wooden Box. And all of these plugins are very minimalist. You get knobs. You need to use your ears. No bells, no whistles, no meters. Just the knobs in your ears. And that's it. I hope this video finds you well. May the winds of clarity blow ever in your favor. From lovely scenic Paju City, South Korea, I'm Vinyl Bear, over and out.